Hello everyone, this is Marisa with Sweet Pea Curiosities. It's been a while since I've been here, but I just thought I would come in and do a flip through of my newest little junk journal that I've created. I used my newest kit, Miss Tiffany, and it is in beautiful blues and creams, and I just thought I'd come in and do a quick little flip through of it. I got the idea of using a glassine bag. Let me grab one here. So I got this idea from Steph at Hilltop View Journals. And I just love the little crinkles, the noise it makes. And it's super simple. I had just folded it in half, and this is part of my cover, which makes this kind of crinkly as well. And if you don't subscribe to her, please do. And she's got a great tutorial on how to do it. But anyways, here this is on the front cover. I've made a little pocket with some lace, added a little journaling card, kind of collaged down below here with this beautiful girl here in her beautiful, beautiful flower dress. I've, of course, added the lace, like I said, and then I've continued this. This is a old christening dress, little girl's christening dress that I found that I cut up and used. And I love it because it's, kind of transparent where you can see through. This is a pocket. This is part of the Glassine bag that I have here with a little journaling card inside there. Lots of little pockets and tucks in here. And this part, sorry, I'm kind of getting out of frame there. This here I collaged again. I'm not the best at collaging. Some people are really good at doing layers, and I really tried to do more kind of collaging within this journal, trying to practice. I've added some little lace trim here and here, and she's so pretty, ballerina with her dress. This here's some vintage old wallpaper that I have. I have a whole roll, and I just love it. It's so pretty. I added this little paper frame here with these girls, and then added the tag. These tags come in the kit, and I collaged again a little extra to the top of that, and then of course you can write on the back. Another little page here with this pretty girl here, and another tag. I love these tags. I just love these colors. So pretty. I even went and got my nails done yesterday and coordinated. I saw this blue and I thought, oh, this is perfect. So it's just such a pretty color. And then this here's some coffee dyed lace paper that I had. This here. This paper is so pretty. It's also in the kit, and I've just created a pocket here. I've added some ephemera from the kit. And then these pretty ladies here. They're having a fun day. Some lace. And again, just kind of layered. Little envelope here. This is a paper bag that I had added. And then I added a tag. Again, another tag here. Some pretty lace. Another little card. And again, I just did some more layering here. I'm not very good at it. I need to watch somebody who does layers, I think. This here, I just did some little flip pages for journaling. Added another one of these pretty frames. This here's some coffee dyed, what is that, like some wax paper. I don't know, I've had this for so long, I can't remember what's used, but I love that sound. And then this here, I've just kind of layered some scraps that I had and added all my little pieces of ephemera in here. There's 3 little tuck spots. Just a perfect little place to kind of put those in. And again, I have a little pocket over here. Another pretty tag that I added. Another frame, one of the pictures. And then this girl here, oh, I just love her. So pretty with her bow. Added some little of that lace again here, added a little flower to it. I made another little pocket here. I added these girls from the kit, added some little tags there, some more little lace. Another little tag. I love this here, this trim that I have with its gold and its blue. This pretty lady here, some washi tape. And then I left this is the tea dyed lace papers that I have, and just left that blank. Another little tuck spot. This is just some old, really thin material that I had. It's kind of ragged, but I kind of like that and just stuck that on there. Has the same colors. This again is just some old kind of ratty trim that was already together. It was part of a shirt here. You can see the buttonholes that I just added there. Added some fabric to the back. This here's a handkerchief that I added. Just kind of cut the corner off. Added some ephemera in here. This is a belly band. Forgot to put something inside there. Here's the other part of that paper bag. And just some more ephemera. Could add a lot more in there. This here's just a little dangle I've got here. A little tag here. Kind of stuck it underneath there so it doesn't fall out. A little flip. And here's some more collaging. And then here's the back of the journal. So very quick, flip through, but I think it's just so pretty. It's kind of romantic to me. But when I got done with doing this kit, I thought, oh, I gotta create with this right away. So I just love it. I hope you love it too. I hope everybody's doing well and having a wonderful summer. And we'll talk to you soon. And thank you so much for stopping by. I so appreciate you viewing. And you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.